top 5 easiest Rubik's Cubes. Let's go. Now keep in mind, this is just out of the cubes that I have, so some of you may disagree with my choices, but just remember I do have limited options. Alright, so coming in at number 5, we have 2x2. So although 2x2 is a really easy event, and a lot of you guys are super fast at it, the only reason it comes in at number 5 is because it requires algorithms to know how to solve it. If it didn't use any algorithms and it was just intuitive and you could figure out how to solve it by yourself, it would probably be lower on the list, but because it requires algorithms, it is a little bit harder. However, it is still easier than the 3x3, and it is easier than a lot of other cubes out there, so that is why it's number 5. And coming in at number 4, we have Pyraminx. Pyraminx is easier than 2x2 because it doesn't require any algorithms to know how to solve it. Now, if you want to become advanced and you want to get really good at Pyraminx, you will need to learn some pretty advanced and fast algorithms. Just to be able to solve it, you don't need to know any algorithms to solve the Pyraminx. The reason it only comes in number 4 and not any lower is because it does, although it is intuitive, it does still take some work to try to figure out which pieces go where, and it does have quite a few steps and pieces. Then coming in at number 3, we have Scube. If you didn't know, Scube is just a shape mod of a Pyraminx. It's really just a Pyraminx in cube form. Although it does require an algorithm to solve this cube, it is easier than Pyraminx because the algorithm is only 4 moves long. It's literally just a sledgehammer. And so, although it does require an algorithm, the algorithm is super easy. It's really easy to memorize, and that's the only algorithm it takes to solve this whole cube. On a side note, you can also solve it intuitively if you really want. The reason this cube isn't any lower is because it's not quite as easy as other cubes on this list, and it does still require a few more steps, and it's not quite as simple as some other cubes. Alright, and coming in at number 2, we have the Ivy Cube. If you didn't know, the Ivy Cube is just a simplified version of this cube. If you can tell, the Ivy Cube has 2 corners and this cube has 4. So the Ivy Cube is just a cube like that. And because of this, it is a lot more simplified than the cube, and it requires less steps, and yeah, basically half the effort and knowledge that you need to know to solve this cube. So this cube is so easy to solve. My sister, who is not a cuber, I gave this to her one time, she picked it up, and she just figured out how to solve it using common sense. It's literally just, you build up one side super easily because it's only 3 pieces, you build up the next, and then you just connect the last few pieces. It's super easy to solve, and that is why it is in number 2. And finally, in first place, we have not only one cube, it's more of like a mini series of cubes, and that is cuboids. So cuboids are all really simple to solve. Anyone can just pick it up and solve it, even though some do shapeshift like this. It literally just requires a couple moves to fix that, and it's so easy to solve. It's only like 1 layer of a 3x3, and this is even more simplified. Anybody can figure out how to solve this, and then it just gets easier from there. This is just turning 1 layer, and 1 layer even more simplified, and then this is already solved. So any cuboid, like a small version of a cuboid, not like some crazy big, more advanced cuboid, but all of these little small cuboids, all the way from 1x1x to just cubes with 1 or 2 layers. So yeah, that is cuboids in first place, because they are all really simple to solve and anyone can figure it out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more top 5 videos in the near future. Until next time, bye.